Welcome! If you've ever been frustrated by Facebook's quiet mode turning on when you least expect it, you're not alone. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to prevent quiet mode from activating on the Facebook app when you're using it on your PC. With the latest update, the steps are a bit different, so let's walk through them together. First, make sure you have the Facebook app open on your PC. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This will open a menu with several options. Next, find and click on Settings and Privacy. When the submenu appears, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can control a variety of features on your account. Now, look for the Media section in the menu on the left side of the screen. Click on it to open the Media settings. Here, you'll find options related to how Facebook handles videos, audio, and other media features. Scroll down until you see the Quiet Mode setting. Quiet Mode is designed to help you take breaks from notifications and distractions, but sometimes it can turn on at inconvenient moments. To prevent this from happening, simply disable Quiet Mode by toggling the switch off. That's it! You've now successfully prevented Quiet Mode from activating automatically on your Facebook app for PC. This means you'll continue to receive notifications and won't miss out on any important updates while you're browsing. If you ever want to use Quiet Mode in the future, just follow these same steps and toggle it back on. Remember, Facebook updates its interface regularly, so if you notice any changes, the steps should remain similar, but keep an eye out for new options. Thanks for watching! If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on mastering your favorite social media apps. See you in the next video.